What if you could break down a barrier that most people don't even realize exists? A barrier that stops millions of people from being heard every single day. Across the UK, over 150,000 people use British Sign Language as their first language. For them, it's not just communication, it's identity, culture, and connection. But here's the truth. Too many of us don't know how to engage, and the result? Missed opportunities, broken conversations, and a lack of inclusivity. Now imagine walking into a cafe, confidently signing your order, or chatting with a deaf colleague at work and finally being understood, or simply sharing a smile with someone who feels seen because you took the time to learn their language. That's exactly what our Complete British Sign Language, BSL, Level 1 and 2 course is designed to give you. Starting with the basics, greetings, fingerspelling, numbers, food, family, colors, and weather. Then moving into advanced skills like workplace vocabulary, describing routines, storytelling, itemizing, and multi-channel signing. Step by step, you'll gain confidence in both receptive and expressive signing. And with subtitled and non-subtitled lessons, visual resources, and interactive practice, you'll be supported every step of the way. You'll earn a CPD-accredited certificate, a real boost for personal and professional growth. Whether you're in education, healthcare, customer service, or community work, this skill adds genuine value to your CV and to your ability to connect with others. But beyond career advantages, think about what it truly means. Opening doors to inclusivity, breaking isolation, and being part of a community that often goes unheard. So, are you ready to do something meaningful, to learn a language that changes lives, including your own? Enroll today with One Education. Learn British Sign Language, connect with more people, and become a confident communicator. Start your journey now.